Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. In the last video, I announced to you all that I wrecked the Miata. I didn't do it personally. I won't dive into too many details about it though. So today we're just gonna try and take off as many parts as possible. Well, in this video we'll be taking off as many parts as possible. Now I'm not gonna do everything today because I do have finals to study for. So yeah, let's get to work. Okay, so it's a little bit darker now. Yeah, I'm still doing some teardown stuff. I have a little bit of downtime because I've completed all my stuff for finals. I'm well prepared and everything. So I figured, well, since I got some extra time to deal with, I may as well continue pulling off of the Miata. So let me show you right now what we've got. We've got the front bumper removed. I just showed the rear bumper being removed. We're gonna tackle this fender now, and hopefully that should be removed without too much drama. Sorry, not going to show much because the lighting's poor. Okay, so I've been working for a little bit, and I've got the fender removed. I just need to tuck this light back in real quick. But yeah, pretty much I'll show you guys the fender. Here it is. It's completely mangled. Yeah, this side's not too bad, but this side is just destroyed. I'm gonna see if I can fix up the front and rear bumper. I think I can if I use enough Bondo and a heat gun, and I should be able to remold them back to how they were before, or at least close enough to where you can't really see it when it's painted. I'm gonna see if I can do that because the front bumper and rear bumper for these cars like $300 a piece on eBay, which is kind of mad. I wasn't expecting prices like that. I'll show you guys now some of the hidden damage I found. Pretty much what I found, obviously, because the wheel's bent in like this, just as I figured, the upper control arm is bent. Not a very difficult fix. I also found that the strut itself is bent, so again, not really a difficult fix. We will be getting coilovers. We won't buy another stock suspension. You know, since it's broken, we may as well upgrade it. Let's move on to the next day, because this is all I have time for. Today we're taking off more panels again. Last day of dismantling the car. All we gotta do today is just take off the trunk, and then we're set. And that's it. Okay, trunk is out. There's the trunk over there. So that is pretty much gonna wrap up the video. Real quick though, I'm just gonna show you the current state of the car. So we'll start here from the back of the car. Yesterday, obviously I took the trunk off and I gutted the inside of the trunk. So you can see there's the damage for the quarter panel. You can see it more clearly behind there. Also gotten a few parts as well. For example, this fender here, I'm kind of trying to line it up. I got this headlight today as well. So the car does look a little bit more complete now. But pretty much I have to kind of line this up because the fender and the headlight aren't exactly lining up right now because this is a little bit bent. So I'm going to have to try and figure out what makes them line up, and then I have to bend this so it goes back properly. And then that should be the front pretty much done. I took the wheel off yesterday, so you can see back there we got a bend in the upper control arm right there, and we got a bend in the strut. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. We are gonna start reassembling the front of the car pretty soon. Until next time, goodbye.